This is the planer and joiner stand I made. I put wheels on it. And I made it, and it's cut at a 15-degree angle. That's the angle on it. And it works really good. I got the joiner up top and the planer down below, and it rolls around really good. As you can see, just use this OSB for the top and OSB for the bottom. Just scraps I had laying around. I really like how it turned out. Put the pan down now to put the wood through. Alright, here we go through. Whee! That was fun. Got the nice top tail for the joiner and the nice top tail nail for the bottom, for the planer. I like how it turned out. It's really worked out quite good. Well, hope you like it. I made this little box to hold my lathe chisels. I like how this one turned out. Just kind of a spare of the moment thing. I got all the chisels to fit in there. Got a hole drilled down to fit the chisel. Fits in real snug, as you can see. Real snug. Made them to fit this particular size. Then I ended up getting some other ones, and well, they were a little short, so I'll have to figure out something to do with that in the future. But that works for now. Over here I got the workbench up on the caster wheels, so now I can roll that around. That really works out quite good. There's always a pain to have to drag it around. As you can see, it moves real smooth and nice. It's been real good to have it on the casters. So that's pretty much what I've been up to lately. And there's got it in place there. That's a nice place to work there. Or I can turn it around and put it on back and work any other way I like. And the best part is it goes back in there and tucks away when I'm not using it. Couldn't be more happy with it. Alright, well, I guess that's it. We'll see you next time.